bala ete chiel ena yeni kadong cha miel vibe tie yung jintek itiga miel ita mungode gwake mwengude dudle moin. Anyway, Gimara Marach in Acholi is not there. Acholi always secured, tight security soldiers moving in between the people to keep the people secure. It is today, the 7th, that is when two giants from Acholi will knock each other, will lock their horns. That is Ediwizi and Pato Loverboy. But here in this video, we are going to flash back at what Ediwizi said from outside Acholi land, that is straight away in Iteso land, on Iteso Vibes TV. That is on the 5th of February 2024. Pato Loverboy went on Ediwizi like a mockingbird. Well, first of all, the first thing when he was asked is, he was asked mentioning the name of Ediwizi straight away about the battle. Is the battle gonna be there with Ediwizi? Pato Loverboy responded by saying that I don't mention people's name on my interview. It is unprofessional for me to mention people's names on my interview.
As it in the corridors, in the streets, that you're having a music battle with Ediwizi. Could you give us a highlight on that? What do you have to tell us about that?
You guys, one thing I want to know, me when I'm doing interviews, I don't mention people's name. Me, I'm a professional entertainer. When we are doing interviews, we don't mention people's name. And when I see an artist mentioning my name, that shows their fear. You get my point? We don't mention name.
So, on the issue of the battle, Pato Loverboy said he is not going for the battle. He said he is not going for the battle. Oh, in other words, he said he doesn't go for battle. Instead, he only go and teaches people. So, he is not going to battle, he's going to teach Ediwizi. That's what Pato Loverboy said.
And of course, with battle, me I don't battle, I teach people. I'm a teacher.
And of course, with battle, me I don't battle, I teach people. I'm a teacher.
So when the third question was raised to Pato Loverboy about, so are we going to expect teaching from you? Pato Loverboy said straight away that I have been teaching people for so long, and I'm still teaching people. Meaning, he is going to teach Ediwizi today. That's what Pato Loverboy said.
So, should we expect some musical lessons from you?
I've been teaching people for so long and I'm still teaching, so they should expect fire after fire every time.
Then the last one, which Pato Loverboy was not even asked, but he went ahead to heard, I think it was a bonus for that interviewer. Pato Loverboy heard it something, he said, I'm not just Pato, I am River Nile Crocodile.
Alright, that was Pato Loverboy for you. Thank you so much for following Iteso Vibes.
We tell them I'm not only Pato, my name is River Nile Crocodile.
So, we all know Pato Loverboy with his slogan is the River Nile Crocodile, and you know, is a watermark of Kari Chayo Ganga Paroku Ganga. Yeah, so it is today, guys. The battle line has been drawn. Enemies are going to unite, and friends are going to be divided. The battle between Pato Loverboy and Ediwizi had actually is imminent in hours, and we are in the countdown. Pick up your nice dress, pick up the money, go and buy those muchomo, grab your friends, grab the family, get to go and support these guys and see what will happen. Message to Pato Loverboy. you have been on this. Message to Eddie Wizzy, you have been on this. Message to both of you. Whoever comes out the champion must not set another division in Acholi, just like we have seen Acholi parliamentary group divided. We have seen Kwara Acholi still tension, people struggling to bring them back. We cannot bear to see another tension, division among the Acholi people. Whatever will come out, you guys chose to be there. So to the fans, be there in Acholi.